Welcome back to my channel. I am Dawn, and today we're going to do a product first impressions review-ish. I haven't quite figured out how I'm gonna do it, but yeah, we have tried, shout out to Fun with the Girls. Bloop. They got me hip on Revolution makeup. So basically it's known like in the US Makeup Revolution, but I believe the collaboration is with Revolution Beauty London, and it's with Miss Patricia Bright. Miss Patricia Bright is a fellow YouTuber. She's a British YouTuber. She does fashion, beauty, and all of that good jazz. She's a black girl, you know what I'm saying? So, we had to, go ahead and rock with her collaboration because, I'm like real frugal. I have like a budget. So I don't try to spend all my money on nothing, but she came up with this beautiful collaboration with quote unquote Makeup Revolution or Revolution Beauty. She has two palettes that came out with them. One is the Revolution X Patricia Bright Enrich in Life palette, and the other is the Revolution in Bright Enrich in Color palette. And then she also have the 4 glow face. One is a moonlight glow, the other one is a sunrise face, gold face, and till dawn face palettes. Well, I should have tried the till dawn face palette, but I didn't, because I tried to figure out which one would kind of like show up on me because I didn't really know like how deep the colors were when it came to that. So I ended up purchasing 2 items from this collaboration. Enrich in Color palette, this is she right here. She is just a beautiful palette of colors and some shimmer glitters. It is awesome. It was $25. Both palettes were $25, and then all of the glow face palettes were $12. I ended up purchasing online, and I found me a little coupon code, so I'll go ahead and link the coupon code that I was able to use at this time in 2019. So if you're watching this later than that, I don't know if you can still use that code, but Google all up on YouTube, and you can find your code for whenever you buy this stuff, even with Ulta. Okay, this is the glow palette, really cute in size, and I ended up getting QR gold face. You see it's white on the outside. Oh wow, white on the outside, and then you get the 3 colors in the middle. One I believe is highlight, contour, and blush. So far from when I'm looking at this palette, I would say like what kind of like drove me to like, girl, you need to get this for yourself. If I'm a green lover, so I'm loving this green juice, which is this color right here, green juice. I'm also a purple lover. I like the Reckless. It's different from some of the purples that I have. My guy sis was like, don't you already have these colors in like your James Charles palette? Or you can combine those palettes? No, I don't. I really don't. I think first off, just going in like while we sit here and play, remember that Dawn is not a professional makeup artist. She's just a girl that likes to play in makeup professionally. A professional player. Let me prime my eyes real quick. And first off, I like to, congratulate Patricia for this collaboration. It's not too many times where you can find an influencer of color to get a nice collaboration with a brand. This is a very well-known brand, and get an actual like collection. She didn't just have like a palette with them. She had a full-blown collection. What I did notice just with picking up the I don't know what's going on, the color, there is a slight kickback, which is not a problem for Dawn. I know people always like to know slight. It's not as crazy as when I received my Anastasia Beverly Hills, but I actually enjoy the kickback in that because I just go back and pick it up and use it as needed. So you see this brown is a really nice brown. I think I'm just going to set a base until I figure out if I'm going to do a real cut crease or if I'm going to go like colorful somewhere on the eye, the wifey on the outer part. So I think I'm gonna, I guess like the, what they call it, the V part. Can y'all see that? I think I probably should use a different brush, but it's too late now because I'm already here. I already made it to the party. I kind of want to now put on, I wonder how this love song, how that's going to look. So I'm going to dip into it and then swatch it to see which color. That's nice. Love Song is not what I thought was about to come on my hand. Love Song is really nice. I'll pat that on for I decided to get that. Let me show y'all. That's right under the Love Song. For some reason, those were the two that was calling me. My smaller brush, and that's the color that I've decided to use there. Okay, we're gonna just do the Love Song. And then you're like, well, you do Love Song like that because it's what I said. Okay. Took me forever to figure out which one I wanted. Love Song is not doing what it did on my hand, I don't think. Love Free. It's a pretty pink. Probably not the pink that should have went right here. We're gonna make an executive decision and say that. Probably not the pink we should have picked right here. But don't worry. We do have 1,000 other shadows. Okay. I'm gonna try the Willa because I feel like it needs more right here. Somehow I'm gonna have to blend that in. So using that same brush I put on the pink, I'm gonna have to go over here and kind of like blend that out. Kind of darken it with the egg part. Just using my glue what we have before. And pink. Some people like these mugs to be sharp. I don't necessarily do. So we did the eyes for the most part. We're gonna do lashes because Dawn can't find her lash thing. So try it again. I put on a little mascara. I know I have no lashes. Don't jig me. And I end up putting the Trendsetter, which is the green color under the eye. Now we're going to try the Glow palette. Ooh. Okay, so now let me try to. This is not Dawn's area of expertise. It's a bronzer. It's also this is a bronzer. Bronze me up, honey. Ah. And my hair a little bit. My hair like around the face. I think I darkened it up. You can go with the down. If I use the highlight color right here, maybe that will help. Does it help a little bit? So you put it right there. And right there. I can't believe this. It's like you got one job, Dawn. One job. Don't do too much stuff that you don't know how to do already. One job. I give myself one job. One job. Don't mess up the nose. I do want to put a little highlight on the lip. You know how I seen the Aaliyah J? I haven't watched the video in forever of hers, but I remember she used to do that. You know? Put it right there. Put it right there. Now we're gonna blush it up with our blush. I still can't believe one job done. One job you have. I'm sorry, you got one job done. Don't F up the nose, okay? Put, a little highlight on my cheek. I'm gonna try it. Okay. Is it even coming on here? Come on, don't do me like this. It came with like a little thing that says, "Welcome to the revolution." Dawn, I thought that was super duper cute. And in there, basically broke down what I got. And then I said I get a free gift, and it gives me like a coupon code. You can have it. She was called Free Gift 19. Cause I ain't buying it. So who's the first person to get it? Go get your free gift. This is my end look. Okay, here. This is my end look of what I created from the palette as well as the glow palette. Shout out to Patricia and Makeup Revolution, and Revolution Makeup Revolution London, which I'll link the site in the description box below. Don't forget to like, comment on this video. This is our end look. We didn't do too shabby, if you do ask me myself. Don't forget to go ahead and purchase if you did like it. I think it's a great buy from Makeup Revolution, aka Revolution Makeup London. It will be in the description box below. They also sell these at Ulta. I just wasn't able to get it at my local Ulta, but you can always order and have them ship it to you. They come with some beautiful collaborations. And so far, I can't wait to continue to play in the colors. I'm probably gonna take this with me to Thanksgiving, the holidays. I feel like I could find, this is a nice travel case for makeup, to be honest. Like, this mug is really sturdy. So I think I'm gonna travel with these for this Thanksgiving, and then hopefully I can see some other looks from the palette that my amateur self can create. Don't forget to also join the family if you want to just, you know, someone cool to talk with sometimes. We sometimes go live over here. You know, sometimes some hair videos, but do my hair right now and bring some life back into it. And also, don't forget to follow me on all social media platforms, which is delightful_Dawn. That's on Instagram, that's on Twitter, that's on Snapchat. I might not snap a lot, I might not even tweet a lot, but you may find me on Instagram, okay? And until next time, everybody, stay unapologetically you and all that you do. Peace and love.